It's a very exciting day today. So the FDA's the subgroup meeting, the Vaccine and Related Biological Products Advisory Committee is meeting today. So they make an official recommendation to the FDA whether or not an EUA should be granted. And we widely expect that the FDA will actually potentially, depending on the committee, issue the EUA for the Moderna vaccine. Then we expect here in Rhode Island, we'll have our own vaccine, again, vaccine subcommittee meeting to discuss, review the data, review the recommendations before we vaccinate any Rhode Islander with the Moderna vaccine. The anticipated timeline for this is probably next week. So we envision, similar to the Pfizer vaccine, that all this is going to happen relatively quickly in a timely manner, timely but efficient, and we are hopefully going to start receiving Moderna vaccine next week. So one thing to consider about both the Pfizer and the Moderna are the storage requirements, right? So one thing that we know about Pfizer is it has to be stored in these deep freezers. That's actually not the case for Moderna, which can be stored in a regular freezer at -20 degrees Celsius. So that's good news. And part of what we're going to do as we look at logistics and different sites and settings is that will be a factor, meaning facilities and settings that can maintain that deep cold freezer will probably be getting the Pfizer vaccine, and other settings, community clinics, other places in the community will likely get the Moderna vaccine, which can be stored in a typical freezer. For the Moderna vaccine, I'm told that we should be receiving about 18,000 doses of Moderna, which is very exciting. Again, we received about 10,000, are receiving about 10,000 of Pfizer this week. But again, all this is subject to change, and I want to remind people that lots of things have evolved during the pandemic, and so we're not exactly sure how many doses we're going to get, but it's estimated to be around 18,000.